comfortable here. The bank robbers try to rob you. So you just hang out back here in your bulletproof freaking shell. Check this out. This lever right here. That means while he's driving it, I can stop it. Alright, looks like we're gonna go for a ride. Because this thing's fully sealed off and totally bulletproof, in the summertime it would get really hot back here. So they would take buckets of ice, like big block ice, dip their rags on it and just keep themselves cool. You'll also notice it has these brass balls here, so you can take your gun and defend yourself and just shoot. Just pew 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 pew. Oh no, he's over here. Oh no, he's over here. Let's switch over here. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. I recommend, if you like this truck and you're watching this video and you haven't seen the pictures we've got from it, you'll want to go to the website and check it out. I rob our model Kim. She kicks my ass. Woo! Alright.